How to use GrowthBar SEO Enterprise properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. GrowthBar SEO Enterprise is a powerful platform for scaling SEO campaigns, but many beginners make mistakes that limit results. Most people get this wrong, but understanding these pitfalls can give you a huge advantage. One common error is ignoring keyword intent. Beginners often focus solely on search volume and competition, but intent matters most. For example, targeting best laptops 2025 with informational content instead of a comparison guide can hurt traffic and engagement. GrowthBar provides intent insights. Use them to align content with what searchers actually want. Another mistake is misusing content tools. While GrowthBar can generate blog drafts, meta descriptions, and outlines, beginners may skip editing or SEO optimization. Outputs must be tailored with target keywords, proper headings, and internal links. A draft without these adjustments may fail to rank, even if it reads well. Backlink tracking and competitor research are often underutilized. Beginners may neglect the insights GrowthBar provides on competitor backlinks, top-performing content, and keyword gaps. Using these features helps identify opportunities that can dramatically improve rankings and traffic. On-page SEO audits are another area where beginners falter. Many users ignore audit suggestions like fixing broken links, optimizing title tags, or improving page speed. Following these recommendations ensures content is not only high quality, but also technically optimized for search engines. Finally, performance monitoring is crucial. GrowthBar provides analytics on traffic, rankings, and keyword performance. Beginners may generate content and forget to track results, missing opportunities for optimization. Regularly review metrics and adjust strategy based on what drives the best results. To use GrowthBar SEO Enterprise properly, focus on keyword intent, refine content, leverage competitor insights, implement audit suggestions, and monitor performance consistently. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures your SEO strategy is both smart and effective.